So when I solve this ice chart out, because it's got a KSP, this is about dissolving, it's going to come out in molarity because that's how all of our K charts come out. And so remember that molarity is the same thing as moles per liter. So I'll be using this value after the ice chart with the value the ice chart gives me, and then also the molar mass. And if the problem doesn't give you the molar mass, you can calculate it. You should remember how to do that. It's from the periodic chart. You just add up all the elements. And there's two OHs. So it's two O's and two H's. So MgOH2 as a solid becomes Mg2 plus aqueous plus OH, and there's two of them, aqueous. This one doesn't matter because it's a solid. I don't have any of those. I do get this and this. And then when I fill it in, and again, it's always good to write the KSP first because then you won't accidentally potentially drop a subscript or superscript. So note that this 2 is because of this, and then those 2's are also because of that same 2OH. And then that is 2 times 2x squared, so it's 4x cubed. So the KSP is 8.9 times 10 to the minus 12th equals 4x cubed. X cubed is equal to that number divided by 4, that number divided by 4, so it's 8.9 times 10 to the minus 12th divided by 4, and then I'm going to take the cube root so that I know what x is. But I won't be done because I've still got to turn it into grams amount. So 8.9 e to the minus 12th divided by 4. And then I like to do the raised to the 1/3. Makes x be 1.31 times 10 to the negative 4. And that's molarity. So now I'm going to use this 221 liters. And I'm going to go from liters to moles because that's going to be molarity. And then I'm going to go from moles to grams. So 1.31 times 10 to the minus 4th moles in 1 liter, that's an understood 1. And then 58.32 grams in 1 mole, and that's from the periodic chart. That's that molar mass number. Then I'll just bring that calculator back up, and I'll do, here I've already got my number in there. That's this number here. So I'm still going to just multiply it times 221 and then times 58.32. So it's going to be 1.68 grams is how much will dissolve in this amount of water. That's a lot of water, by the way, and that's not a lot of grams. That's why this is an insoluble salt.